Hi everyone, this is Jane here, just showing a little journal that I've made for somebody. This was a commission that somebody asked for. So, excuse me, I won't show all of it because I kind of think that that should be for them to find all the bits and pieces within it. But I just wanted to show you the gist of it really, because I just really love this. Had a lot of fun doing it. Really grateful for the order, and it's just really pretty. So it's kind of like a Valentine's-y love journal, and I know we've just gone past Valentine's, but that's what we wanted. So it's the usual little mini journal, lots of lace, and these are digitals that I did myself. As usual, lots of room for writing in. Lots of little pockets, stamps and tracing paper and doilies and stencils. Let me just pop that in there. It's a little baby pocket. Really pretty. Love it. Really enjoyed making it. It's just a really quick little flip through to just give you the gist of it. So very short little video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.